Can I be reimbursed for funeral expenses from the estate by taking the vehicle instead of receiving an inheritance distribution? Yes. If the estate qualifies for the small estate collection by affidavit process, the person acting as the collector can use estate personal property, including a vehicle, to pay valid claims in the required legal order before anyone receives an inheritance distribution. Funeral expenses are typically paid as a priority claim, but you still have to check whether something higher must be handled first, like a year's allowance for a surviving spouse or eligible children. Practically, that can mean the vehicle is transferred to the person who paid the funeral bill as reimbursement, but it needs to be treated and documented as a claim payment, not as an early inheritance. The value matters too. Use a reasonable value and account for any loan or lien on the vehicle. If the vehicle is worth more than the funeral expense, the difference may have to be handled separately under the required payment and distribution rules. To do this correctly, the collector files the affidavit with the clerk after the required waiting period, lists the vehicle as an estate asset, follows the required payment order, completes the clerk's closing paperwork, and then completes the motor vehicle title transfer steps. If the title transfer is delayed, it is important to address the deadline for the closing filing and request an extension if needed, especially when the estate does not have enough assets to pay everything.